Let's make some quick and easy protein pudding, also known as protein yogurt. All you need is 2 ingredients which you could find at Costco, like this whey protein and Greek yogurt. Since we're gonna use some unflavored Greek yogurt, we're gonna use some chocolate whey protein. And we're gonna fill it up with a whole cup of Greek yogurt and just plop it in here. In your bag of protein, you already have a scoop here, and you're gonna take a full scoop and just put it over your Greek yogurt. And now we're just gonna mix it all together. Now this dessert's gonna have a total of 59 grams of protein. To make it easier to mix all together, make sure you first put in your yogurt in the bowl and then you put the protein powder on top. I find when you put the protein powder on the bottom and then you put the yogurt, it tends to get a little bit clumpy for whatever reason. And to give your pudding an even nicer texture, you can add some pumpkin seeds, which you could also find at Costco. High in protein, quick and easy to make, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this simple recipe, please check out these other great videos and subscribe to my channel.